So that's it guys. Totoo yung nakita ang ganihan gikan pa kong bukid this morning, and I still have scratches right over here. Diba? And I'm suddenly here, teleported here at Quest Hotel, celebrate Father's Day. Here's my papas. Papa Bear need air card. Papa Bear. Yes. Happy Father's Day. Yes, we are currently here at Quest Hotel to celebrate Father's Day. And you know, it's a bit unfortunate for me because I don't have my father here. So I'm just here to celebrate it with my friends. Life must go on and we should keep moving on. And still celebrate Father's Day the way it should be. And that's it for our vlog today. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and happy Father's Day! So apparently I didn't went home yet because maybe I need some pampering time from the hangover. Giving a little bit of a spoiler for my next vlog because yeah, I just had a weekend I've been drunk. I tracked for almost 4 hours of having that hangover. My head is, I don't know. And I'm here at the spa by Omnia Bellus because I need to, have a massage. I'm totally tired. I'm tired. Yeah. A massage is definitely perfect as an ender of the weekend. Yeah. So after an hour and a half of Ventosa massage, it was amazing. Lumiyan ito kayo sa kanan. So ito, ang paama. Hindi ba? Ang bagta, pamaulan sa tractor weekend. Very nice. So every lagan deserves this kind of treat, guys. So better invite your dad and treat them here at Spa by Omnia Bellus. And yeah, so that's it guys. That's it for today. As you can see sa mga you. I'm doing some editing later on, so stay tuned. Bye bye. Like and subscribe.